Hello everyone. Hope you had time to look at our new presentation on predicting stock prices and reading charts. It seems to be well received so far. This past week would have been a bad time to run out of your Zoloft or Prozac, as things were pretty rough up until Friday. Then it was as if a ray of light started to shine through the stormy skies. For the week of February 27th to March 3rd, we're going to look at some stocks that have great setups for a nice run or has big news coming up. But as usual, I'd like to take a moment and remind you that investing in stocks carries risk. So invest wisely and follow the basic rules identified in our How to Turn $800 into $8,000 video. Make sure to look for stock patterns with upward trends through the day and significant volume. The first stock we're going to look at, again, is Bellerophon Therapeutics, ticker symbol BLPH. If you invested based on information presented in our previous video, you'll know that this was part of last week's midweek slaughter, but BLPH rebounded nicely. There's resistance levels observed in the mid-160s, and it closed on Friday at $1.40 a share. There's a lot of momentum here, and data will be out soon, so watch this one carefully. Next, we look at Zosano Pharma Corporated, ticker symbol ZSAN. This has had a nice climb since the first of the year and closed Friday at $2.61 a share. There's a lot of chatter about news coming, and most recently the company firmed up agreements for $7.5 million in private placement equity. 4.8 million units are priced at $1.57 a share. This could hit in the high $2 range up to $3 per share. The charts are quite bullish, yet we still expect some volatility, so watch it carefully this week. A smart way to ensure a winning trade is to consider selling a third to 50% of your position in a stock once you hit the first major level of resistance. Next, we look at Cempra Incorporated, that's ticker symbol CEMP. This is another clinical stage pharmaceutical company that develops differentiated anti-infectives. On Friday, it was announced that they achieved positive top-line results from their phase 3 study. Cempra is sitting on a boatload of cash right now, so dilution right now isn't expected. And they have good stuff in the pipeline too, and they're expecting easing of regulations with the FDA and a more friendly FDA, meaning that this is the right time to consider CEMP. Next, we look at Jaguar Animal Health, ticker symbol JAGX. This is an animal health company that focuses on gastrointestinal products for domestic and farm animals. It was announced February 8th that the company is merging with Napo Pharmaceuticals, which already owned a significant percentage of Jaguar's outstanding common shares. There's a lot of positive sentiment about the whole transaction, and the stock is expected to continue increasing, so this is definitely one worth a look. Some analysts expect an increase of 3 to 7 times its current price by the end of the year or even up to mid-2018. Finally, a reiteration of Aurinia Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol AUPH. We're getting really close on this one, and data should be released any day now, with a big pop expected soon. Lots of positive data was recently announced from their Japanese phase 1 ethnic bridging study. And a super successful health conference are just some of the positive catalysts observed here. The stock has risen nearly 42% in just the last 4 weeks, and the stock is well above its 20-day SMA. The smart money is on this stock if you have funds available to invest, but just don't get greedy. Thanks for visiting again, and if you like our videos, please like them and subscribe.